Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with questions from the HSEE 2019 paper. So what we have here is that the questions from the quantitative aptitude section of the paper, and particularly we'll focus on question number 47 from the paper itself. We'll try and solve the same so that you can get a general idea on the pattern of the questions. Okay, so let's take a look. Assume the length of a rectangle is increased by 25% and the width is decreased by x% such that no change in the area of the rectangle. Find the value of x. Okay. So this particular question will try and explain a few concepts before solving the same. Okay. So first concept is of successive percentage change. Okay, successive percentage change. So it is always given by a plus b plus ab divided by 100, where plus in case of increment and minus in case of decrement. A will be the first percentage change, and b would be the second percentage change. Okay, so now if we take this in conjunction with the question, so we see that overall no change in area occurs. So successive percentage change overall is 0. Now 0 will first increase the length, and now we have to decrease the breadth. Okay, b ab, that is minus 25b by 100. Okay, so this is what we have. Why? Because b is decreasing, so we are changing the sign. So we can write this as minus 25 equal to minus 1.25b, or b is nothing but 20%. Okay, which is our answer. I hope this is clear. Now this particular question can be solved in another very easy way. Okay, and try and understand the same concept here. Suppose two related quantities, in this case length and breadth, and one of the quantities increases by 1 by x%. Okay, to balance out the same, the other quantity has to decrease by 1 by x plus 1%. Okay, so to balance everything out, the other quantity has to decrease by 1 by x plus 1. Why balance? So now take a look at this case. So no change in the area is given, right? That means everything has been balanced out. So in this regard, 25% increase. So 25% we know it can be written as 1 by 4 increase. Okay. So to balance the same thing out, we can write as 1 by 4 plus 1 decrease. That is 1 by 5 decrease, or 1 by 5 as we know is 20%. So you can either solve it using this particular method or this method. Either way is fine. So I hope this question is clear to you. Both the approaches shows the same. So having said that, if you like the video, please make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel. So we'll continue our discussion on the similar sort of questions in the subsequent videos. Until then, I'll be signing out. So thank you so much.